Okay, guys, that was When You Were Mine by the Dixie Chicks. And of course, you're still tuning here your favorite radio station, Radio Pilipinas. At home kayo dito. And time check, it's already 11:38 in the evening here in the Philippines. So, happy listening sa mga tuners natin dyan. And anyway, sa lahat ng gustong mag-request and bumate, just log on to www.iradiophilipinas.com or PM nyo ako sa Facebook, Chicken Noodle Soup, TSIKN, space, NUDUL, space, SUP, and of course, I'm Kikay, ang babaeng may boses garapata, mukha namang diwata. Hindi, joke lang. Anyways, binabati ko yung yung mga listeners natin dyan. Happy listening sa inyo po. Yan. Happy listening ulit sa mga LOL players dyan. Lalo na yung mga ka-playmate ko sa LOL. Ay! Happy listening sa inyo. Yung mga flood likers ko sa Facebook. Yung mga ka-tweet ko sa Twitter. Yung mga ka-vlogger ko sa vlog. Hindi, joke lang. Anyways, Yeah. 11:39 and almost magmi-midnight na pala mamaya. So, anyways, let's move on to our next song. And our next song, The Wheel of the Wind by Jamie Rivera. So, once again, guys, just enjoy the music here at your favorite radio station. The one and only iRadio Pilipinas. At home kayo dito. Bagay man. Angkot ko, bagay man.